And for today's video, andito kami. Kasama ko ang aking mga babies na naglalakad. At ayun, ang isa, nag-ahabol ng bola niya. At eto nga pala ang background namin for today's video. Ayan. Oh, parang family pa sila ah. Family ng mga anong klaseng ibon yan. Ayan, ikot muna tayo. So, medyo cloudy ang weather namin today. At ang goal namin ay makasampung rounds kami dito sa lugar na to. And because walking is a medicine as well. So, we're trying to do that every day. And it helps with our mental health. Very good, ate.
Mud pie.
So, we wish you na mag-walking din kayo while you can, because it's good for your mental health and your physical health. Is that right, ate?
Yes. Yes.
So, how are you feeling today, ate?
I'm feeling fine.
Ah, and that's good to hear.
Yes.
And I'm feeling not so fine today. My back hurts. And how about you? How are you feeling?
Fine.
You're feeling fine? Good. Do you think you can manage to walk 10 rounds today?
10 rounds.
Yes.
10 laps.
Yes.
10 laps. Nope, 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 nope.
Oh, why?
I can do 3,
3 laps
and-
lang?
4, and 5.
Ah. Oh, our goal is 10. Paano na yan? Kakayanan po namin. Kakayanin.
Let's go jogging.